Narendra Modi-led NDA government will complete 1 year in office tomorrow. PM Narendra Modi will address a rally in Mathura on Monday to start a week-long celebration from May 26 to 31st to mark 1 year in office. Union ministers and BJP MPs and functionaries will fan out across the country to tell people about the welfare measures taken for the underprivileged sections and farmers as part of a week-long Jan Kalyan Parv. Here are what other leaders have to say about the Modi government. I've been caustic on the issue of funds being cut for centrally sponsored schemes. That's put an additional burden of rupees 4,689 crores on us. All this while claiming to give us more thorough devolution. Modi's government has been a total failure in this 1 year. Siddaramaiah, May 14. My fight is against corruption. Modi's government has been afraid of us since AAP got 67 seats in the polls. Central government is creating hurdles in Delhi, but despite that, we are working perfectly. Arvind Kejriwal, May 22nd. It's the beginning of restoring India's pristine glory. Modi served the poor and has enhanced the fame of India. In 4 years, he will free our country from every problem faced by poor, industry, even farmers. Prakash Singh Badal, May 9th. This government has 3 phases: economic reforms to benefit the corporate world, BJP's communal vote bank politics, and utter disrespect for democratic functioning. It's possible BJP's communal politics will be at play soon to distract from their failures. Sitaram Yechuri, May 15th. So it seems there were no Indians who took pride in their country before 16th May 2014. I was completely blind to this amazing fact. Omar Abdullah, May 18th. Pura saal barbad kiya. I do not see any development work being accomplished during 1 year of NDA government in power. Nitish Kumar, May 15th. The centre did help in evacuating nurses from Iraq, Libya, but after a year, the poor have been let down badly. The farmer's plight is no better. The biggest beneficiary of his plans are the corporates. Uman Chandi, May 15th. People will assess the work PM Modi has done during the past year. Now, slogans alone will not serve any purpose. Akhilesh Yadav, May 6th.